Don't
Piras
give
na
money.
Undang kami.
Hello guys. You're probably wondering why I have this. I think we're making banana bread. Is that right? I think that's right. Well, without phone. That's kind of a lucky I am by phone. I'm playing this.
Dati nilagyan niya
This is not a. This is not
Parang
an
ano lang nila
anti-mana
yung
dimension
taas.
episode, okay? Eating banana bread. Are we making banana bread? Okay.
Ayan, we continue.
I'm punching it violently. I'm punching this.
Talagang
Go. Like in Geometry Dash. Imagine if that's optional.
kasi nakita ko yung upgrade
No way.
o update na meron na silang nagawa talaga sa itaas. So, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo po ang mga nagawa
I'm
nila.
not doing
Kasi
that is so
ano na,
hard.
ulang na
Get
lang
away
sa
from
tubing at saka yung pintura. Kaya gusto kong ipakita. Eh, samahan niyo ako. Karakado tayo rin. Kaya ako shoutout sa kanila.
I think I did that.
Pamilya ni Dali lang. Yung tumulong at si Gigo. Dito tayo sa
I made a
itaas.
lot of progress without
Grabe yung
using
update dito mga kababayan. Napakaganda po dito sa taas. Ayan, kita niyo yan mga kababayan. Oh.
I will buy.
Meron siyang railings.
You're gonna put what you're gonna what?
I'm gonna buy 2 eggs.
Okay, and then you're gonna put the dough.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
This is not dough, this is flour.
Ayan.
Like a banana bread.
Mas ganda yung ano dito. Puno. Ang ganda ng puno. Ang ganda mga kababayan. So ito. Ayan, kaya yung plano natin. Railings na to dito. So ayan na. Ayan na talaga yung railings mo. Nagawa na. At saka yan yung buo dyan sa taas dyan ang part. Grabe mga kababayan. At kitang-kita ko na talaga yung pinaghirapan ko.
Alright.
Dito na sa akin
Can I smash it?
kahit hindi pa tapos pero masaya na ako mga kababayan.
While you buy the
Kasi,
eggs.
Kita natin na
This is atis, ne.
nakaka...
But I'm not eating the banana. Oh, I'm eating
Only this
atis.
atis.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Kulang
This
pintura.
atis good. See? Wait!
You eat?
Grabe.
Yeah, wait!
Kaya talaga mga
Oh, you're
kababayan,
opening the
talaga.
atis.
Wait!
Okay.
Meron
Wait,
na
wait.
talaga siyang-
I will get...
Look at the inside of this atis.
Yan ang
Of course, I didn't eat it.
Tapos meron na talaga
Obviously.
siyang railings dito. Grabe.
Go, 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 go.
So ganyan po yung design na
Look at the
pinagawa ko mga
inside. It got
kababayan.
some a little bit of
Para
black.
sa safety
Here's the second one.
purposes na rin.
It's not all
Kasi
great.
may mga kabataan
Oh,
dito.
this is
Siyempre
good.
meron tayong mga pamangkin, kamag-anak,
A lot
at mga
of seeds,
kaibigan
by the way.
na
Not
mga
good.
Taste it.
kabataan
This one is
na
good.
punta-punta
Yummy.
dito. So para
Taste.
hindi maakyat nila, eh patayo yung ano,
It's
patayo
the same.
yung
Put it here.
design natin. Kasi pag
Kind of
pag
good.
ganyan natin, akyatan, so delikado. Delikado na baka mahulog. At
Kinda
pinataasan
sour
natin
as
mga
well.
kababayan.
Huh?
Mataas
Sour.
yan.
Oh.
Ayan o.
Wait lang.
3 feet.
Just mashing the potatoes.
Galing yan sa baba. 3 feet papunta rito sa taas. Papunta rito. So mataas na siya. At patibay yung tibay yung pagkagawa. Grabe. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda na po. At
Like that, oh?
yung halaman sila mama dito na inakyat
Mm.
sa taas.
Just double your seeds.
So kulang ng mga halaman na to is pagandahin.
You remove only the seeds
Maging halaman natin dito sa itaas.
into your teeth.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Electric fan. Tie.
Oh.
Tapos dito
I want electric
para
fan. Wait
natin
lang.
yung
Did you buy eggs?
tanawin.
The 2 eggs.
At
Yeah,
yung ano
yeah,
naman
yeah,
dito mga
yeah,
kababayan.
yeah, yeah,
Kaya wala
yeah,
akong
yeah.
hinog na.
Oh. Nag-crack na nga eh.
You want to taste? I already tasted.
Seeds
Is
din
it
yung
yummy?
natin dyan. Hollow blocks yung
Yummy? Yummy.
Ay,
They're the
Nag-crack na
seeds.
nga
You
eh.
have to.
I already removed the seeds. Even though I ate it.
dito hollow blocks para pwede siyang lagyan ng mga ano dito. Upuan. Pag gusto mo mag-relax dito. Eh, pwedeng-pwede.
Everything is not about Roblox, but it's just all about life. You play Roblox because you're life.
Yan yung,
Oh! All!
yan ang dyan ang hagdanan.
What's it all here? The seats.
My taste is a little bit weird than yours.
At nakita ko na yung improvement dito sa pagpagawa ng bahay. May readings na. At saka meron ng meeting dito.
Oh, I'll try to eat that.
Mga babayan, meron tayo nakaganda ng dyan.
You don't like? Finish?
Yan sa taas. Yan, nakaka-relax. Maganda.
A lot of feet.
Meron talaga siya mga kababayan. Meron ng readings.
Wait lang!
Meron ng bubong. So, okay
What are you
na siya
doing
dito.
with those eggs?
Ganito lang po yung
Coward!
lalagyan ng seeds bigyan.
No, it's the French milk, Cowhead.
Farmer house ba?
But it's not sponsored. Good thing it didn't show the logo. The kitchen.
Kung gumawa ng...
Everything is from the kitchen! What the heck?
Yung...
Yeah, I'm in the kitchen as well. Hello, this is Nobel. Up, and up. What happened? Try to save me. Whoa, so cool. What are we doing with this? Milk. Making banana bread. Are we? I don't know if we're actually making banana bread or something else. Cowhead, and you're putting more milk? No. It's not all about games. It's all about precision and accuracy and life. And YouTube? I don't know. It's not all YouTube. I tasted it. It kind of weird. Should I put this here?
Right. Tama tayo dito.
Yay! You're putting flour! Hey, that's illegal! Whoa! You're putting flour! This is legal! Even though this looks like the Pyramid of Giza. I think I have to get this right like here. Yeah, like that. But you can't see my face. Now I can. Okay, I'm gonna it here. Where are you
Mababot na pala eh.
Oo. Halos lang lang gawin doon sa dito. Para pag umulan daw.
Can I mix this? Get away! Stop it! Woo! All about life. The heck? Oh, no, that's not right.
Nate, look how di ka naman. Oh, you put this there.
Alright.
The water. How many cups of water? Is that water?
That's not even water, that's oven.
You read if there's a water.
Gotcha,
Some
banana
milk.
bread. 120 grams vegetable oil, 1 millimeters of milk, 2 large rice and low pan.
How many vegetable oil?
125 grams.
100.
Get away! Can I mix it? Making the most.
Is this 1 cup?
I think that's 1 cup.
Ay.
Putting the.
I know, the egg first. Where's the egg?
Where's the egg? Egg! You put the egg there!
Binaba mo?
We put egg? Ah! What's happening?
Oo, natapon. Oh.
The
see?
legs are
Kapen, oh.
eggs.
Careful.
Okay, I guess we're putting 2 eggs. We're breaking 2 eggs. Whoa! Whoa! 1 egg and then another. Mix them. Mixy mix.
Okay, mix.
Still mixing? Put the milk. Put the milk. Hopefully I don't drop my phone, Mamila's phone there. Whoa, so magical. Why is things stuck over there? With no milk? Put this? Are you gonna put that?
And also vegetable
Oil.
125 ml. Where is it? Look, where's the ml here? Is there an ml here?
That's not even an ml. But this is ounce.
Oh, this one.
Here.
The
It
here's
says 125.
oh, ito. Oh. Papakilagyan mo nga ng ano to. Uy, yung dun.
Can I mix? Can I mix?
Oh,
Diyan saan?
ito. Oh.
Hey, Mamila, can I mix?
Ito.
Mamila, can I mix?
Yeah, you can.
I keep on spitting. Spitting.
Oh, tumutulo yung gatas, oh.
120.
Gatas! Gatas!
Oh, you hold this one.
Yes, sabi ba? Ito ba?
No. Yung vegetable oil. Ito.
This looks so weird. Put all of it. Put all of it, man.
I will put this one.
It's always so weird to put these. Whoa.
Wow.
Hey,
Is it?
do you got game on your phone? No.
Oh, very young.
Wee. Yay.
Oh, careful.
I keep on spitting it.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh god. Something happen? Did something happen? Why is it so bright? I don't think you guys see it. Wait, I'm gonna clear the camera. There you go. A little bit less bright. Still kind of bright.
Isang maulan na araw po sa ating lahat. So natin, pero kumusta po kayo? Eto, wala pa
Cooking oil! Put that in there!
Buti na lang dito po sa
Why is it so much?
Ayun.
Wait, ang daming basa, oh.
Ulan.
Daming!
Kita
Yan.
Pero
Oh. Did you put oil instead of vegetable oil?
That's vegetable oil.
I thought it was oil for a second.
bago tayo lalabas, siyempre,
Look at them snicking.
ang mga Marinas, kumusta na kayang
This
mga
is not milk.
girls?
This is raw egg.
Sa mga kolehyala. Kasi, sa
Oh, I can do that again. Sorry.
miss ko na rin sila.
Sorry.
Mabigat mag ano? Mix mo nga po.
I totally don't have the
Dito
magic
kapakita ka
thing.
sa vlog ng ang bebe mo.
Kahit po naman kayo. How are you today?
What are you doing? Lola?
Saan kayo pupunta?
We're making banana bread. Though I don't like banana bread. But that's okay, I'll eat it.
Oh, may 1 hour na ano pa, kadasal. Oh, kumusta ang kolehyala? Kailan ang start ng
Lolo,
klase,
mix it.
madam?
Lolo, mix it.
21.
Ay! This year.
Maganda pa. Maganda ka na naman. Hindi ko wala yung ano. Beauty. Okay, start na sa Monday. So excited. Ikaw naman girl, excited ka na magpikolekya. Excited na. Natatakot. Ba't ka matatakot? Ang ganda mong yan. Huwag kang matakot. Ano ikaw naman girl? O, kumusta naman ang feeling? Mag-start. Okay. Bago ang lahat ng kababayan.
What are you doing, Mommy La?
Mabagyo ha.
Snowbell sleeping. Mommy La, what are you doing? I got nothing. No.
Kahit Maria, nandito sila, kahit babagyo.
Yeah. Is that bread?
Sila, ito naman.
Is that bread? Cheese, everybody. Say cheese. Cheese.
Pagod na rin sila, buhay. Sinabahan sila na mag-aral mabuti. Para balik na sila.
Ow, that actually got hurt.
Yan, bilit. Surtin nyo, di ba may bilit kayo
Cookies.
Remember, ma'am, direct sa teacher ha. O, di ba sa basta yan.
It's getting a little bit old.